Direct in off the last owner, a beautiful Volvo V40. Fabulous car, great specification, £2,800 worth of factory fitted options. This is the Volvo V40 SE Lux Navigation D2 automatic. 1.6, 113 brake horsepower. Sapphire black metallic with full black leather. Incredibly low mileage, it really is. Just 22,000 miles. 2013 on a 63 plate with full service history and just had a full service, ready for the next owner. Great value, fabulous to drive. 70 plus miles per gallon according to Volvo. 70 plus combined miles per gallon. How amazing is that? Good size boot on it, nice and clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seats. No spare wheel but complete toolkit with a compressor there. Nice and clean on the bodywork, no major damage at all. No big dents, no big scratches. The odd little mark there, but it is a 2013 car, but nothing major at all. It is beautiful all the way around. All the alloy wheels are in great condition. No damage to those, no chunks knocked out of those. Good tyres all the way around. Headlight power washers. Again, as you can see, nice and clean on the bodywork. Nothing major at all. Just sparkles away in the sunshine. Full leather trim. Again, all the trims in great condition. No damage to those. Beautiful black leather. Lots of legroom in there, plenty of space. Again, all the leather in great condition. No damage to the upholstery anywhere. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells in there. Again, the driver's door trim, all nice and clean, no damage. Electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic lights, leather multifunction steering wheel. Look at the mileage. Just 22,572. That's what it's done. 22,572 miles. 2013 car. Amazing, amazing low mileage. And again, the driver's seat. No damage, no wear on that. Lovely soft leather. Front centre armrest with USB input. Cup holders. Again, all the dash trims all in lovely condition. Not been knocked about. And this is why we do the videos, to show you we have nothing to hide, fully transparent. Nice clear navigation screen, so you've got satellite navigation. This car's also got the upgraded stereo system. Beautiful sound from the high performance multimedia system. Of course, Bluetooth connection, rear parking sensors. Climate control, heated seats. Again, just shows you nice on the dashboard, nice and clearly. 3 settings for the heated seats. Automatic gearbox. Slide across, you can drive it like a manual, or just simply put it to drive and let it do its own thing. Cruise control. Stereo functions. It's got onboard computer as well, so you can work out your miles per gallon, average fuel range, digital dashboard display. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Folding mirrors. Great example, great value for money. Lovely to drive. Nice and smooth. With a 6-speed automatic gearbox. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Many people do that to make sure you don't miss out. So if you don't want to waste your journey and you really do fancy this car, either reserve online off our website directly or give us a call. The deposit is fully refundable should you feel the car is not as described. We make buying and selling cars a very simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you will understand why customers come back to us time and time again. Many customers buy our cars unseen from the comfort of our chair. So you can either collect from our showroom or we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for further details about home delivery. Finance is available direct to our website. Work out your payments and apply online. But we're always at the end of the phone to give you a hand. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.